Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matt the Real Video Guy here and welcome to this super cool video. I'm in Helsinki at the moment and we're going to take a look at the improvements in the MasterClass plugin. So in this video I'm going to zoom through some of those new features that everybody has and also new features that the premium package has. And I think you'll really like them. So let's go to my computer desktop here and take a look at what's new. And here we are logged into the MasterClass plugin in WordPress admin. And I've got one set up here that I've been working on in these quick video updates. And let's just go through some of these new options here. And under the brand and design, we've got some cool stuff. So we've got new top menu bar options. So we've got the soft light, pure white, theme match and custom color. Custom color, you can create your own nav bars with the new update. So if we take a look at what I've got here now, let's just open this up. We can see I've got the default top bar there and I've got the black theme going on, and I've got the new glow effect which I'll cover in a moment. And if we go back to our settings here, we can change this top bar color. So let's go top menu bar here and let's try the soft light. Just got to reload the page here, and there you can see I've got the soft light menu bar. And what I might do, I'll just change the background here so you can see it a little bit better. We'll put that on dark, reloading the page here. And there you go, you can see the effect, which is a pretty cool menu bar. And then we've got the pure white. So if you've got actually a white theme going and you want everything white, which can be a nice look sometimes, let's just try that. I'll go and put this on white with the pure white top bar. You can see I'm getting this really nice clean white look, and the actual glow, we can turn that off. I've got it here, I'll come back to that in a moment. Let's reload the page. There we go, I've got the white theme going, which is really nice. And let's go to the theme match. So at the moment I've got the green peaceful theme going. So when I reload this, I will have the matching green menu bar, which is also a nice option. And then we've got the custom color as well. So selecting custom color, we can choose, and this is actually depending if you're on a Mac or a Windows, you'll have a slightly different color wheel. But you can choose exactly what color you want. Let's just go ahead and save that color, reload. It's kind of similar to green, but you can see the difference there. Now we've got a custom color top bar. So for this option, I'm going to leave it on the theme match, and let's take a look at the shadow options. So at the moment I've got shadow switched on. Now it's off. Switching that on, we get a couple of different shadow effects. So we've got the drop shadow, and to best see that, we want to look at the actual video here. Reloading the page, and you can see we're getting like a drop shadow effect there. And let's jump into a lesson here so you can actually see it on the video. So this lesson has multiple videos, and you can see it's getting that nice drop shadow effect, which is pretty cool. And then we also have the back shadow, which you can try yourself. We've got the glow effect. The glow effect is pretty cool with the dark theme. So let's go black, and I've got the green going. I'm going to reload the page here, and now we've got a glow. You can see the glow around, a little white glow there around the videos. And we also have the theme glow, which is going to match your theme. So we've got the green one going now, so we'll get a green glow. Reloading the page. which can create a really nice effect. And the whole idea here is that without using Photoshop or having to do design work, you can just jump in here and create some super awesome looking effects. Now I'm going to go back. Let's try the new background. So we've got this option, toggle option here now, which is use background image. The reason I put that in there is previously, if you wanted to remove the background image, you would have to actually remove the image. And then when you come back, maybe you want to try it without the image. Well, now you can keep your image settings and you can just switch it off if you don't want to have it on. You come back, your image settings are there. You don't have to reset everything. So having the background image on, we also get some new background effects. So let's have a look at what we've got so far. Just reloading the page here. I've got a few effects going on here in the background, so let me just put it on default. I'm going to turn the effects off and reload the page. And let's get rid of that glow effect as well for now. Okay, reload the page. You can see I've got that full background image, which looks really nice. And if you want to add a little bit of distance, like depth of field effect, what you can do is you can apply a slight shadow or a slight, a blur to the background. So from here we can do a soft blur and then use the shadows, leave it on, and reload that, and you can see that nice bit of blur in the background. It gives you that kind of a pop effect where the actual content is coming off the page. We've also got options here for sepia, black and white. So the black and white obviously makes it black and white. And once again, this is going to save you tons of time from having to go and actually edit images. You can do it right from here. And if you don't like it, you can just put it back. Now I like this one here, lens burn. Gives you a nice sort of bright, colorful effect, a sort of a distant effect, which is really cool. Like a high definition, ultra high definition look. And then you've got darken and lighten as well. So that's available with the new updates. We've also got the much requested titles and content for the actual videos. So let's jump into a lesson here. We'll go to lessons, and I think I've got it set up under the second one here. So in our videos, you know, we can have multiple videos. We now have an option to add a title and content to the individual video. So for instance, if you have multiple videos on the page, here we've got video 1 and video 2. So I can add individual titles and content. So here video 1 title, and let's just put here video 1 content. Let's go ahead and save that, and let's go to that lesson. I think we're in that lesson. Reloading the page. I've got it on autoplay as well, which is a new feature too. So here we've got video 1 title, video 1 content, video 2 title, video 2 content. So you can add individual content, links, anything you want to go with that particular video. We've also got options to get rid of this content. So if you don't want to have this lesson 2 box here, or you don't want the title, or you don't want the content, then you can get rid of that as well. So going back here. Okay, we're back. Sorry I lost you there for a second. So I was just going to show these hide lesson number, hide lesson title, and hide the entire content area. So by default, if we have a look at the lessons and scrolling down here, in the content area we've got a lesson number 2 here and the lesson title there and some lovely content area there. If we go back here, and well, we've got double spaces going on there. Let's just save that. What we can do is we can get rid of that number there. So let's just save changes, reload this, and now you can see there's no number there at all. We've still got the title and the content, and this is down the bottom of the page. We can also get rid of the title and just use the content area, so reloading that. There we go, and then we can get rid of this entire content block. And these comments you're seeing down here, this is the premium feature. You can have comments there with the premium version. So let's go ahead and hide the entire content area. Getting a little notice there that the downloads will not be visible. That's fine. Let's save changes, reload the page here, and now we can see the whole content area is gone. So the video is there, and we go down to the content area. And just quickly, as we wrap this one up, and I'm going to have to attend to my little chap in a second, we can also now autoplay the videos by turning that on, and it'll do it when it's available with the browser. And if you have multiple videos here, it does a really nice effect where at the end of the video it'll scroll down and start the next video. Which is nice if you've got kind of a module set up. You can also hide the controls, so that's for individual videos. You've got that option if you want to do that. We've also got smart content where you can show and hide content based on timestamps in the video. That is amazing, but I'm going to do a separate video on that one. So there we go, a couple of the awesome new improvements in the latest version of the MasterClass plugin. I'm Matt, the real video guy here. Thanks for hanging around to check out this video, and I hope you like those new features in the MasterClass plugin.